Agrarian reform under President Rodrigo Duterte. Here's shortened version of your structural report. Introduction. Under President Rodrigo Duterte on 2016 to 2022, agrarian reform continued via the Comprehensive Agrarian Reform Program or CARP, aiming to address landlessness and promote social justice with a more pro-farmer stance. Policy goals: accelerate land distribution. 2. Remove amortization for farmers. Number 3. Enhance support service. 4. Promote rural development, especially conflict zones like key initiatives, freelance distribution, SHIP policy to eliminate payment for farmers beneficiaries. EO 75 2019 order distribution of government-owned lands. Mindanao focus address peace and development in BARMM. Support service. DAR provided training, inputs, credits, access, and infrastructure, but delivery was often in challenges. Slow land distribution due to budget limits, bureaucracy, and legal conflicts. Land conversions to commercial use first cited. Red tagging and militarization affected farmer groups. Structural reform criticized as lacking depth. Conclusion: despite bold policies, Duterte's agrarian reform faced major hurdles through transformative land reform. Reform remain out of reach for many farmers.